Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about Giga Metals, why Giga Metals is important to Elon Musk, or rather Canadian nickel company. So I'm going to be playing in this video my thoughts, but this video is a weekend video and I just finished watching the debate between Trump and Biden, and I'm just going to share my thoughts, my quick thoughts about the debate between the two presidents, or the former vice president and the current president, Donald Trump. I honestly believe that Trump is stressed that he could lose, and he really does not want to lose, and I think Biden is winning right now. But that's just my opinion. As I'm making the video, the market was green when the debate was going on, and as soon as the debate was over, the market turned red. So very volatile right now, and like I said, I am still very concerned about the overall market. So definitely be careful. That's just my opinion. So we'll see what happens. So yeah, so let's go on to Giga Metals. So first of all, the semi-truck and the Cybertruck both require high nickel dense, and you know that. So each truck, or each semi-truck, is about 15 Model 3 for battery size. Like, it would require Elon Musk to make 15 Model 3 to just make one semi truck. That's how much battery power you need, and Elon needs high nickel density, in order to make the semi truck. So my bet is by the time the Cybertruck and the semi trucks roll off the production line, I bet you anything, Giga Metal stock is going to be a lot more valuable, and there will be some kind of deal. This is just my gamble, right? I don't know for sure. Nothing is 100% sure in the markets, but I'm still betting that Giga Metals will get some kind of deal with Elon Musk to develop the mine that Giga Metals have at the moment, because Giga Metals has the biggest mines in the world. And if we look at the market cap of Giga Metals, it's currently $60 million at the moment, and I think this is extremely undervalued. I think that they should have the same market cap or higher than Canadian Nickel and FPX Nickel, because they have a bigger mine than both of those companies. And Elon Musk needs a lot of nickel. I have a video here that plays the nickel process from 1970 to 2019, I guess. As we can see, Canada was the biggest miner of nickel, and then all of a sudden, other countries. But if you notice on this list, none of these countries involve the United States. None of them. So Russia overtook Canada in 1978. And then Canada overtook Russia, I guess, before they renamed it to the Soviet Union. So yeah, Russia overtook them again, 1982. So Canada was always like a big miner of nickel. But if you notice all these lists, none of them have the United States in them. So I'm just going to quickly fast forward it, or unless you guys really want to see the whole video. So, Canada was in competition with Soviet Union for a while. But I found this very interesting, right? So I'm playing it, but I don't know if I'll get demonetized for taking this video. But it is fair right use. There's no anything that says copyright. They got the information from someone else anyways. So yeah, Soviet Union turned into Russia, but Canada was in the lead. But then just watch what happens in like 2000s. Like just Australia was catching up. Australia just beat Canada, but Russia is still in the lead in the 2000s. Indonesia was became the biggest nickel miner in a certain time period. Look at that. Look at that catch up. I just find this very interesting, right? Like United States, not even on the list. Not even on the list of miners. Indonesia. So yeah, this is just crazy, right? They just skyrocketed in nickel production, which probably caused the price of nickel to plummet like crazy because of Indonesia. But they completely just got wiped off the map in 2015. And Philippines kind of took over. Yep. And Indonesia is back in 2016. And look at that. Oh, look at that. 800,000. So that's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. This is the reason, if Indonesia didn't mine so much nickel, I think the nickel prices would go up dramatically, in my opinion. And then if we go to the FPX nickel site, we can see that at present there are approximately 4 operational nickel mines in Canada and 1 operational nickel mine in the United States of America. The nickel mining companies operate these nickel mines, including large and mid-sized global diversified groups, including Glencore, Vale, Lunar Mining. FPX Nickel is one of the few junior mining nickel companies in Canada. So FPX Nickel mine actually has a smaller mine than Giga Metals. And they're not even sulfate, I don't think. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't really look too much into it. And then Talon Metals are the ones that own the only nickel mine that is in Canada. I mean, in the United States right now. They own 60% of it, and then the market cap is 146 million. So, and then you look at Canadian Nickel Mine. They have a way smaller mine than Giga Metals, and they're valued at twice the value. So I think Giga Metal deserves a higher market cap. I think Nickel Metal should be like trading at $2, but that's my opinion. We'll see what happens in the future. If Tesla signs a deal with Giga Metals, I think the stock will go to $5, at least $5. It'll probably be volatile. Probably trade between $2 to $5 for a significant amount of time, but I think that eventually, if Giga Metals fully develop their mine out, I think it could be valued as much as $10 per share. But that's just my opinion. Anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.